Some of the windows that had begun to sweat had a lot of moisture that worried me about wood rot. Also, I got tired of painting season after season.
And as the original windows from 1995, some of them didn't even open anymore. We called Allstate's Home Improvements after our neighbor across the street got his windows in, and we saw how nice they looked inside and out.
If you've had windowsills put in for old windows before, or you've even painted some of your own windows, it's nice to get something that's going to last a while now and require no attention.
We are really satisfied. We highly recommend Allstate's Home Improvement.
It's few and far between that someone exceeds your expectations. In this case, Allstate's exceeded my expectation.